Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tetley. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Alright, we made it out to River Forest Haven in Del Valle. This is our own private dock for this campsite up here. And there's the baby. She made it. Got the pole, the tuggle box ready, and we're gonna throw her in, and here we go.
Where'd she go? She's vanished out of thin air. What the hell? Oh shit. Oh shit. Mm-hmm. Rolling.
Got this at an estate sale 2 days ago.
Take it off. Take that shit
My new hat.
It's going in.
I'm off to catch tuna.
Whee!
And not spill my. Ooh, okay. One thing at a time here.
You good?
So definitely gonna need a paddle bungee
You need me to get you something?
when we no, we don't have it. But in the future. So she's floating. She got no problems. She weathered a storm last night.
Goodbye.
Come save.
Bye forever.
Yeah. I need an anchor. That's the way Goofy does it. Fucking goes. This lure is not doing it for me though.
Oh.
So the only problem is that I gave Cameron my rope, my tie-off rope. So I have to kind of think I'm gonna have to sit up here and then keep a foot in here to do this.
Wait, why?
Because I have nothing to tie off with. So I have to like put stuff down to change this. I haven't done any of my accessories I want to rig out a, so here's my plan, camera. Here's what I've come up with while we're out here. We're gonna have a mesh pouch that hangs here, and we're gonna put a hard side Velcro, maybe soft side actually, so it's not there, it doesn't hurt me. And it's a mesh pouch, and we're gonna do that so we can have our tools, like right slipped in, glove, you know, what we need, and then on this side, under here, I'm gonna put a cooler, a little pelly cooler, right here. And then up here, we're gonna do a classic kayak mount. A cup holder over here, and a phone mount over here with a tether, so that if she falls off, in a waterproof case, so if she falls off, she's good.
Oh yeah.
Back here, this is nice. I was wondering if you could grab me another beer, and I can put her in here. She got water in her from the rain. She's not totally waterproof.
Oh.
See, I said that. I said that when I cleaned it. I said, there's water in there. There's water in there. So that's why we're going to get a dry bag. We're going to get a dry bag that we can... Okay. We're going to get a dry bag that we can put strapped to here. Because this can all be rebungeed over it. And that's where we could keep you know, maybe a towel, whatever. Oh, we gotta get an anchor. That goes in here. Right here. And well, this is my new kayak. I haven't named her yet. Bessie kind of feels right.
Bessie.
Bessie the kayak.
It's kind of an old lady name.
Right? Rock the boat, don't rock the boat, baby. So, that's it, guys. See you on the next one. I'll give you a little tour of this campsite. We're out at River Forest Haven in Del Valle, Texas. It's privately owned. So far, it's absolutely stunning. Right on the water, private dock.
Don't hurt yourself. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Is that how you do it? Alright.
I'm not left-handed.